about the video, I haven't done it in a very long time, like forever. I'd be doing a lip swatch test video for you guys and a review. So I am holding here the brand new Lancome Lab. I'm gonna butcher that. I'm sorry. I'd rather not say it than butcher it. So this is the new Lancome glosses. It comes in different finishes. There is a velvet matte, there's a velvet matte gloss, a sheer gloss, there is a cream gloss, and then I think there's like one other finish, but I have 3 different finishes right here before glosses. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch them for you guys. These ones are more in the neutral to pink tone range. So this one right here is my favorite from their new collection. This is in the shade Beige Muse number 222, and this is a sheer gloss, but it's actually long wearing. So I put it on the first day that I tried it, and I actually almost forgot that I had it on. I thought I had like a really thick lip balm on, like, cause like the way it felt. And it was like 4 hours later, and like it wasn't as reflective as it was when I first put it on, but it was still moisturizing and glossy looking. And I was actually surprised because generally glosses rub right off on me. So I was actually amazed by the longevity of a sheer gloss. You know what I'm saying? Because I feel like sheer glosses don't last so long. You have to like keep reapplying it. And that's kind of like the point of them. But this one was actually really long wearing. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch it for you guys. First, here is the packaging. It is very luxurious looking. I think it's just so pretty. I love the gold detailing on the top, and then for the wand, it is a doe foot applicator, but it's really precise at the top, so you can get some really good application. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to swatch it on my hand for you right here. So this is a sheer pink gloss, really glossy looking. See, it's like it reflects like right there, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. It's actually perfect for the look that I have on. So here is how this one looks right here. This one again is a Beige Muse. Super, just a classic neutral pinky gloss. With, you know, it's sheer, reflective, very pretty. When you imagine a lip gloss, this is what it is. This is a lip gloss. You know, when you're younger and you're imagining lip gloss, this is what it is. Just, this is what a lip gloss should look like. This next one is a velvet matte, and it's in the same packaging. This is, I think it's Avec style, AVEC style. This one is like fuchsia. Like, this one is so bright. This is gonna be perfect for the springtime. It's that same packaging with the gold detailing, and this is a velvet matte finish, so it's not gonna look like a lip gloss. So it's not gonna be super long wearing as well, but it's gonna be a matte lip gloss. So not a liquid lipstick, but it's going to be glossy, or it's gonna feel like a lip gloss, but it's gonna look matte, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one on my hand as well. Like, look how bright that is, but it's so pretty. I cannot wait. I want to do just a bright, fun island makeup look using this one. Okay, so here is Avec Style Swatch. I think this would be really good with like very simple, like nothing on the lids, just maybe like some eyeliner, mascara, some blush, highlighter, and this, and you would be good. I think we do a look like that when it gets closer to summertime. I mean, for here, it's like summer for us all the time, but you know, for you people back stateside where it's cold right now. I think I'm gonna do something like this for spring. This is so pretty and so fun. This color usually isn't my style, but I'm kind of feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Not with this look, of course. Like, ignore this. Like, I'm feeling this color. I think it's gonna be fun to play around with. Very bright. It's very bright. It's fun. I'm living for it. And that's what I'm talking about. Like, it feels like if I wasn't looking at my eyes, like if I wasn't looking at a mirror, it feels like lip gloss, but it looks matte. You see what I'm saying? So this is a really really good. I think I really like this formula a lot. Like, it's so comfortable. The next one is Rose Lancome. So this is the classic Lancome Rose color. And this one is a velvet matte as well. This one is a very deep purpley pink. Like, it's so pretty. I think this is the one I wore in a video. Yeah, this is it. I love the applicator on these. Like, they're so easy to apply. I love this color. In fact, I think this is my favorite color out of all of them now I think about it, because like, it's that bright pink, but it's deep enough for me that, you know, the bright pink doesn't bother me. It doesn't go with this look at all, but I love this color. Love this color so much. In fact, I think I'm going to do a Valentine's Day look using this color. Let me know if you want to see that, because this is amazing. I am obsessed with this one. This one is beautiful. So again, this is the Lancome Rose color. Okay, so we have one more. This one is a gloss cream, and this one is in the shade Rose Caress. So this one is a more baby doll pink, but it's not super cool tone. It's more a warm tone baby doll pink, if that makes sense. This one I think would go well with this look. We'll see though. I don't know if it's gonna be too bright. It's actually really pretty for this look. Here is Rose Caress swatched on my lips. I love this one. I love all of these, you guys, really. I would say that this one is the most intimidating to me. Here are all 4 shades next to each other. I want to swatch them all in my hand so that you can see them all together. So I'm going to be going in order. Here is the Sheer Gloss. Here are all 4 that I have swatched. Like, see how shiny this one is now? It didn't look as shiny when it was by itself. When you see it actually up against the cream and the 2 velvet matte, you're like, oh, that's glossy. So here are the 4 that I received. I love these so much. So my favorites are this one right here. The one I'm wearing now is probably my favorite. This one's just good for everybody. I think it's just a classic lip gloss. And this one is most intimidating, but the most intriguing. And this one is just pretty all around. It's a deep reddish rosy color, and I love it. So that is the new Lancome lip gloss line. They have a ton of other shades. These are the 4 that Octoly and Lancome sent me. I know Lancome is a more expensive brand, but you know, sometimes luxury products are really, really worth it. I love the applicator. I love how these feel. I don't know, I love these a lot. So these are the new High Shine Lip Gloss, La Absolue Rouge Lip Gloss. So the cost for the set is $100, but I think they're probably like, I'm gonna have the actual price like listed right here of each individual lip gloss. It's not $100 per lip gloss. That's for the bundle itself. So I think that's for the 4 of them. I don't know if it's for 4 or all 8. I will have all the information in the down bar. But these are super luxurious feeling. They look really luxurious. I do enjoy more affordable makeup, but I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. I love these a lot. I find these to be super moisturizing, super comfortable. They are, for a lip gloss, they're long wearing. Like, it's very rare that I see a lip gloss that's actually long wearing. Really good pigment. I really hope you guys want to check these out. It's very rare that I'm like this into a more high-end product, but I actually really enjoy these. I do wish they were cheaper. Like, I wish that Lancome didn't cost as much, but you know, Lancome is Lancome. They are very high quality makeup. But you know, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video regardless. I'll be back with a more affordable video coming soon, but I just want to share these with you guys. And I'm really pleased and thankful that they sent these to me. Like, when Lancome approved my application for it, I was like, yes. So yeah, I was really excited, and I hope you guys are excited with me. And let me know if you guys have actually tried these. I know they're like brand new, but let me know if you've tried these. Let me know if you've tried anything else from Lancome and what you enjoy from them. I know I really like their Touche Éclat or whatever foundation. That is it for this video, and be sure to give a big old thumbs up. Comment down below. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it before you leave so you miss any more of my videos. And if you're returning to my channel, you are amazing. I'm just gonna leave that. You're amazing. I love you guys. And I will see all of you in my next video.